I've been noticing so many recipes out there for mug cakes, but those are desserts and we need a savory dish in a mug, right? 90 seconds in the microwave, we can have some pizza. I've been searching for a good recipe and this one is tried and true. It's so awesome, you guys. It makes 2 pizzas in these with just 1 batter. Let's get to it. All right, we're going to be using 3 tablespoons of almond flour. I've been using this kind. A half a teaspoon of baking powder. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 1 egg, which I always use room temperature. 1/8 teaspoon of salt, or salt to taste. 2 tablespoons of homemade keto sauce or pizza sauce, or keto friendly pizza sauce. Now, I am going to use a salsa because we've been busy all day and a salsa has really low carbs. I just heated it up. You can do what you want, but I'm just going to throw that little tip in there that if you're in a hurry, you can absolutely use salsa. It does not hurt the taste. Okay. Back to the scheduled program. 3 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese, Italian seasoning for taste, and mini pepperonis. I didn't have mini pepperonis, so I just cut in 4 pieces out of 1. Okay, and I'm also going to be using Parmesan and some green peppers because I love them. But you absolutely do not have to use those. Okay, let's hop to it. All right. Our almond flour, which is 3 tablespoons. And let's see. I'm reading the recipe still because I've only made it once, but it was so amazing. So I had to make it again for you guys. All right. Salt, baking powder, and egg. And we're going to whisk that all together. You can also substitute the almond flour in this recipe for coconut flour. 1 1/3 teaspoon of coconut flour instead of almond flour. And 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and then you're just going to divide that into 2 ramekins. This recipe is not greasy at all. It is so amazing. I'm so glad I came up on this one. I've seen several recipes for pizza in a mug, but this one seemed like the best, and it is a good one. Okay, and then I'm going to just put my pizza sauce / salsa. Like I said, I've done this one before, and it ends up tasting good with the salsa in there. Okay, and that's just 1 tablespoon of the sauce, some shredded cheese, pepperoni, Italian seasoning, peppers, and Parmesan. And I'm never skimpy on the Parmesan. Okay, 90 seconds in the microwave. We'll be back. Okay, they're out of the microwave. Our little pizzas. I'm gonna slide this right onto a dish to show you guys the texture of it. Look at that ooey gooey pizza. Whoa! It's so thick. It's not eggy at all. It tastes amazing. You guys have to try this recipe. Thank you so much for joining me. Share my recipe out if you think that somebody you know may like my recipes, and subscribe if you want to see my next one. I make one every single day, so come and join me next time. Bye!